Hello everybody and welcome to Parks Bros. It's Drew here and we're back at SeaWorld San Diego, more specifically the parking lot for a wild Arctic coaster update. Let's do this thing. As you can see, the insane amount of progress within the main parking lot of SeaWorld San Diego, and specifically, literally tons of new track. It is unfathomable how much track has shown up since our last construction update. It's at least quadrupled with how many track pieces as well as support beams have come to the site itself. There are plenty of twists, turns, hills, drops, and even a couple straight sections that we saw originally. But there is just so much in this lot that it was almost pointless to go and deep dive into every single little piece of track or support structure. And I think it's very safe to say at this point, they've already got most of the track there. But there really is any type of element you can think of course, outside of inversions. But mainly, there's a lot of curved pieces that will most likely end up as turns and twists, which just makes me incredibly excited for this brand new experience, as there's not really a coaster at SeaWorld San Diego that has a main focus on juking around its terrain. You could argue Manta, but outside of maybe one or two moments of that ride, it's all about those airtime hills. But this brand new roller coaster has yet to be officially announced, so we can only cross our fingers that an announcement is happening soon, as there is just more and more progress happening. I will say I'm very curious to see what this interesting paint job on the supports mean, where it's yellow on one side and this light bluish gray on the other. My thought is maybe that yellow portion will be specifically under concrete or be out of view from riders. But this brand new roller coaster is taking quite the shape in the parking lot, and I can say that that's not the only major change, as there is a giant, and I mean massive, pile of dirt that is poking up behind Emperor now. And after riding Emperor during our visit, there were plenty of markers in that newly flattened space, and possibly a bunch of concrete, although when I did ride Emperor, it was pitch black, so it was kind of hard to specifically tell if it was concrete or just a different texture of dirt. But the grading of the land behind the Wild Arctic building looks to be almost 100% complete. I'm curious to see how many more shipments will end up at SeaWorld San Diego before any of these pieces will be moved over to the construction site proper, as it really does seem like we are near the final stretch of physical equipment being on site. And it does make me curious, is this going to be the longest roller coaster on park property? I'm beginning to think it might be. Nevertheless, I am so excited to see hopefully an announcement very soon, and of course to see this ride go vertical. I mean, unbelievable progress here with this new coaster project coming to SeaWorld San Diego probably next year. I mean, we'll see if there's an announcement. I mean, you'd think there would be soon, especially with how much track is already here. But I hope you guys are excited. We're gonna have more updates as they come along. Of course, make sure to subscribe if you haven't. And we'll have a Holostream overview and review video in a vlog form coming out right after this. So I hope you guys are excited for that. But of course, until next time, we'll see you on the next ride.